Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A 19-year-old Westmoreland man was on Sunday charged for last month's shooting of 4 people, one fatally in Crowder District, Grange Hill, charged with murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, using a firearm to commit a felony, and 3 counts of wounding with intent is 19-year-old Lashawn Warren of Ghetto Geneva in the parish. My viewers and subscribers, so there you go. Right now, the place kind of calm, according to the police, and the 19-year-old charged for fatal in a Grange Hill, Westmoreland gun attack. All right, so me just make you know what go on, because the other day me did touch upon this about what go down in a Grange Hill, Westmoreland. So me just make you know say a 19-year-old right now has been charged. All right, that hear this. 14 bodies were found Monday in a suburb of Haiti's capital after an attack by gang members who have ravaged the country for weeks, an AFP correspondent reported. So my viewers and subscribers, you know see what go down right now in Haiti? You know see what happen right now in Haiti? And a whole heap of people get hurt right now. And Andrew only say, I'm going to send his soldier them over there. Remember, me telling you, I'm going to read it. Me never read it before. Me always tell you, but me going to show you. It did up on Google. Nothing to hide. Andrew only say he willing to send his soldiers them over to Haiti. So this is man, I really don't like Jamaican people. I don't think it's some joke thing. That's a serious thing, because if you didn't like your soldier there, I like the Jamaican people, you're not going to do that to the soldier them. You're not, but true is a man, he like hype, and push up him chest. You understand? Hear this. Jamaica willing to take part in military intervention in Haiti, Prime Minister says. And I see him face look on him good. Kingston, February the 1st, Jamaica would be willing to take part in an international military deployment to Haiti. Prime Minister Andrew Holness told lawmakers on Tuesday, saying the Caribbean island country could also support its neighbor on electoral reforms. Wanna hear them something, yeah? Listen good. The United Nations in October suggested a rapid action force be sent to Haiti, where gangs have expanded their territory after the assassination of President. You hear that, my viewers and subscribers? So it's something where Andrew Owen is willing to do. He's willing to send in troops over in Haiti. And over in Haiti right now, it'll get worse. It'll get worse. And wait there, it ever crossed on your mind why Canada, UK, America now send for them troops, or now go over there go help? Not even medication them offer, not even food. Remember saying them always go around and help people around the world, So why they not help Haiti? Something alright, my viewers and subscribers. I talk about this before. It is a reason why they rather give money to another country for sending troops go over there. I did they want the whole of Jamaican troops dead now. And Andrew honest the way I'm so enough. I want like him a top dog. The man want to take up his soldiers them and send them over there. But sometimes, me say it already, sometimes I not even really blame him for sending soldiers them, because I say right now, to the rate how things are going, them are hurt them own civilians. Them are hurt them own civilians. I feel like they figure fight real war. Yeah, me think so them figure fight real war. Seriously, other day I feel sorry for them. When me check it out, I say, no man, you better then go up on the real battlefield. You get me? I don't blame Andrew only. Send them along, because some of them execute people picnic for no reason at all. Nobody not do them nothing, and then just hurt people picnic. And that is not right. You understand? You have to do the right thing. You as a soldier or police, you don't just get up and do things take it upon yourself and do the wrong thing. It is not right. Them something that we come back and haunt you. You mustn't do these things. You must follow rules and regulations. You mustn't do things as you feel and as you please. It does show me where Horace Chang teach, You get me? It is not right. But my viewers and subscribers, me just did really want to point out that because through me always are telling you say Andrew only say me go say that me never show no. Me say me show no. And I not hide. And if you go up on Google and type it in, it come up. If you go up on the site, it come up. If you go in the paper and go back, go look in the paper them, you will see it. You get me? So it is a thing, and you only just gear them up now. If you go over there for whatever reason, and I do not think it's right, if you send them to go kill off your own black brothers and sisters. You understand me? Them know over that the place there. By the back of them hand, do they know it? My viewers and subscribers, and you only do the wrong thing. There's lots of Jamaicans right now in Haiti. Remember the gang thing are going on, a whole heap of people are dead. And a whole heap of Jamaicans is living in Haiti. Why aren't you only try to take out the Jamaicans them out of Haiti? Do something constructive for once. And that me saying in my last video, do something constructive for once and remove your Jamaican people. Just like our American citizens. I remove them people, remove your people and your oldness. Really and truly, when you really look at it, my wisdom warriors, it look like this someone want to kill off all the Jamaican people. Because before you try to take out the Jamaicans, them out of Haiti, in man are sending soldiers. I'm telling you sometime, man, when I think about the way how Andrew Oldness behave, it really get me upset, Yes, man, because you can't say you love and care for Jamaican people. I know we not hear you offer nothing about removing your Jamaicans them from Haiti. We not that we want to hear. That we want to hear. So my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this. My wisdom warriors, right now, I am calling on the Integrity Commission to investigate Paula Lowen. Investigate the judge, investigate the Paula Lowen, because everything that they did, they weren't supposed to do it. Remember, they imprisoned somebody, wrongfully, She need to be investigated, and the only person can do that is the Integrity Commission. Integrity Commission, my viewers and subscribers, is the one that get rid of corruption. So I am calling on, hot off of the press is calling on the Integrity Commission to release a statement. Do something about this. You can't just sit back and do nothing. See it. She embarrassed the whole of Jamaica. You understand? So I am calling on the Integrity Commission right now, effective immediately. You guys on a need to come and investigate Paula Lowen than the judge. You understand me? On can't let this slide. This is corruption. This is corruption. Integrity Commission. Where are you guys? I am calling on you. Me not even say PSOJ because me know say PSOJ now come out. But I'm calling on you, Integrity Commission. Una the only one we always have the people them back. Do not let Andrew Oldness frighten no. Do no work or no come for do. And hot off of the press is calling on the Integrity Commission to investigate Paula Lowen. Ask for Paula Lowen to resign. What we not do? The same thing me come out before I say PSOJ. Una need to ask Paula Lowen to resign. Nobody not do nothing. Nobody not do nothing. This is why me have to call on the Integrity Commission. Una see what she do. She is a part of the corruption. Una have to investigate this. Remember, you send somebody to prison wrongfully, you give them life. Listen, see when me come over here and I am just talking about the situation. Me not talk about, me have to explain it to you over and over. I'm not talking about if Vybz Kartel do it or if Vybz Kartel not do it. I do not know. I'm not talking about that. I'm not justifying that. What I'm talking about how the DPP handled the situation. So my wisdom warriors, this is what I'm talking about. The situation, how corrupt they are. You understand? And everybody see worldwide how corrupt the Jamaica court system is, because she's what chief whatever DPP prosecutor, and what is and what she need to be under investigation. And what afraid of her? Integrity Commission, una the only person left to call her out. It's surprising how una not call out Paula Lewin as yet. She need to resign. You can't do that. You can't wrongfully. You can't, una can't tamper with things. Judge and whoever, whatever, and then tamper with things. And when then tampering things now, then after then send people to life imprisonment, whatever. And it is wrongfully. So what I gonna do about this? What you guys going to do about it? That's why me I call pan the Integrity Commission. Una need to do something about this. Una can't leave it like that. This is why DPP come out and have peer chat. That's why she does a hype, so. You understand? Una need to do something about this. And I'm calling on the Integrity Commission once more. Una need to investigate Paula Lewin because she is not credible. I am sorry. How much people have she done this to? She's not credible. She is not. I am really sorry, my viewers and subscribers. You see cases, you see, all right, you know, see all cases, all those old cases need to be reopened, you know. All those old cases need to be reopened just because what she did. You understand? And it is not right. You cannot advise people to continue to do something that is wrong. That is so wrong because they're trying to save money. Listen to this, my viewers and subscribers. She's trying to save money, but no, she'll make it look like she want to go retrial. I understand? Because right now, she's waiting on the appeal court. So she's waiting for the Privy Council to send her a letter signed first. So when she said retrial, she don't know yet. You understand? Because I was listening to ISAT. They're waiting on the Privy Council first to see what the Privy Council say. And that have to sign. And then from there, obviously, them are going to go court and take it from there. You understand? And that happen right now. So right now, they can't do nothing. She can't do nothing at all. They just waited on the Privy Council. You get me? So these things are not right. My viewers and subscribers, it is not right. And some people come and say, oh, God tell you whatever, because uno gone in and me tell you, no, you see when me talk, whether on the hear me talk or me shout or whatever, sometime on the hear me get loud and sometimes me get soft. I don't go off of emotions. It's just the situation. It's just the way how them handle situation. My viewers and subscribers, I do not agree with her. She needs to go. She needs to resign. And me a call upon the Integrity Commission to do something about this. Una have to investigate Paula Lewin. This is wrong on all levels. And remember, you know, she said the whole reason why she continue with the case is there's other factors. Yeah, including she a try to save. And all them kind of something. Them a try to save money. So yeah, tell me, so let me see now. Una go retrial, so wait. Una nobody want to save no money, can una get whole heap. Una have whole heap of money sit down pan. You see the things one of take, the taxpayers' money and do, una not do it. The things, look how much things are happening in Jamaica. Look how much things need to fix. Look how much places need to fix. Look how much hospital beds needed. Look how much things need to be done. Taxpayer money need to fix up the whole of Jamaica and una use it. You know what they are trying to save. Me tell you, see, I believe like this is personal, seriously, because then time there, you advise to continue with it because of cost. So now, you not think about the cost again. You're not think about the cost. Me telling you, my viewers and subscribers, these people, something is wrong. Something is wrong, me I tell you. They're just so corrupted. They're so corrupted. You understand? And I don't understand what is wrong with these people. And they don't want to get rid of corruption. Imagine they have an Integrity Commission where ready to get rid of corruption and Andrew Holness. I put gag order, I put stop in. Interrupt the people them in a Migla theme investigation. You can imagine that? Who want a prime minister like that? A really crime minister. Me hear everybody call him crime minister. A real thing. A real crime minister. This a man and I care about a soul. This a man and I care about Jamaican people. In don't love Jamaican people. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. A donation worth $14 million to the Maypen Hospital in Clarendon is expected to enhance the quality of healthcare services at the facility. Spearheaded by Dr. Ivane Thomas, a philanthropist and medical practitioner at the hospital, the donation comprised essential medical supplies and much-needed wheelchairs. The contributions were made possible through the support of United States-based entity Advent Health, along with the assistance from Andrews Memorial Hospital and Biomedical Laboratory Limited. So my viewers and subscribers, this are the same people where them are pressure, where Andrew Holness them are pressure and the ambassador are pressure. The same people I help them. Are the same people I turn around and I give them a wheelchair and I give them equipment because they know say uno need it. You understand? And that's all they were saying about the travel advisory. They must say uno healthcare system is not up to date. They were blatantly saying that uno do not have equipment and stuff like that. Uno need resources. And see, the people them help uno. If uno never need the help, uno take that in the first place. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So sometimes uno have a little bit of understanding. Because Andrew Holness make it look like say it's all about crime. It's not all about crime. The people them just tell them citizens say Jamaica healthcare system is not up to standards. So for now, then rather them stay, whisper them, they stay at them yard. They never tell them say they not go. People still go. People still go Jamaica. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So look, amount of money they get, amount of millions Andrew Holness collect for healthcare system. He shouldn't have all of these things. He shouldn't even need it when I say no, what we have enough. But them need resources. And then get a lot of money from all over. Them get whole heap of Canada give them money. America give them money. England give them money. They get money, they get help. They get support. But what them really I use the money and do? That are the next question. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think? Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.